guys, I found something driving down the road. It's an abandoned motel. It says motel and laundry. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Get the pretty palm trees lined up there. Looks like this has been abandoned quite a while. See, it says motel laundry. Here's the back side. Someone's taken all the windows out. So, let's check it out. There's Jeremy. Picked him up yesterday. He's traveling with me again. He got laid off. Didn't have any work for him. Yeah, the roof's all coming in on these. This has been empty for a while, it looks like. Wow. I bet this was the laundry. Kind of looks like this could have been the laundry. I don't know, there's a shower over here.
With the laundry.
That's what I was thinking. But then they have a shower here, but that could be, maybe part of it was a room. Look at the shower, the pink tile. So yeah, I'm sure this is from the 40s. Look at this old heater. Broken toilet over there. The old light thing. Roof's pretty bad. This goes into the next one. I'm going to walk around on the outside because this is pretty bad. Look, it had a little kitchenette or something in here. Has metal cabinets. The roof's really bad on this place. They tried to tarp it. It looks like those tarps down there. Another one of those old heaters. And look at the old cabinets. And there's that part of the heater on the wall there. Another one of those pink showers, look. Little square pink shower. Broken toilet. Let's go up here to the next one. At one time they had it all boarded up. Oh, that door doesn't open. That door right there, can't open that one. It's stuck.
The bottles like that.
I don't know. Look at the bottles. Someone was living in there, I bet, and they were trying to cover it up. Look, there's some glass left in this one.
Yep.
Yeah, someone cleaned this one up a little bit. There's their beer bottle over there. Another one of those covered things right there.
Somebody's living in this one for a little bit.
Somebody was staying in here. Look at what they did with the bottles. So light would come in. And they swept the floor. Looks like they swept the floor all through here. What's that? That red thing, Jeremy?
What?
And then over here, look at, there's an old, is there another door out there? Going to another one? They have their little closet thing there. Huh? I know. It's cool. So the light would come in. Is there another door to this other one that has that round, there's that round restaurant style seat? Is there another door out there?
Huh?
Is there another door?
Yeah.
Okay. So I don't have to walk through all this. Look at, there's another.
Door shut though.
Oh, is it? Okay.
With the chain on it.
With the chain?
Yeah.
Oh, look at all the money. A bunch of money over here. Look at this, you guys. Found money.
Bunch of pennies.
Yeah. Bunch of them. That's what was in that jar. Whoops. Oh yeah, look at their broom. Their broom they made. Let me get in here. Restaurant style seating. But they made them a broom out of the, I bet it was a Mexican guy lived in here. See the broom over there? Made out of the palm tree things. See that, Jeremy?
Yeah.
All wrapped with the...
I don't know if this is right.
Huh? Is it?
Yeah. I know for sure.
Somebody had a marijuana plant in here too. Probably why it's all locked up in some places. You see, they made that. See the little broom handle? Oh, look at the cross thing on the door.
Yeah.
Wow. This one has no roof left. Another one of those things. I want to walk over to that house. Can you believe that? All those pennies?
Yeah.
Jeremy's cold. I'm wearing the sleeveless shirt. Right down there by that shoe. A bunch of pennies. Okay. We're going to go over and check out the, check out this too. I bet this was the house of the managers, huh? See the house? Ow, I got a sticker. Look at that cactus, Jeremy. Look at that old cactus, you guys. Wow. Kind of looks like somebody's been staying in this one. Look at those old chairs. kitchen still has a pan hanging up there. Can't get in. Door's locked. Boarded up. Wow. Interesting. The old table. Water jug. Yeah, see the door's all blocked over there. The other one's shut. And then there's neighbors on the other side. That cactus though. This part's still good. Well, down there it's a little messed up. But yeah. Thought we'd throw this in while we're at it, huh? This old chair. Cushion chair. Some dishes and sink. Faucet. Alright. Just wanted to... Oh look, that's great for sifting for cool rocks. Anyway, wanted to share this with you. This big water tub. Coolers. Drinking water thing. Alright, I'm going to take a few pictures to add to this, so I'm going to let you guys go. Have a great day, because you know you can explore everything. Peace.